Hello, everyone. It's me, Mrs. Gronert, and today we're going to do some letter and sound reading practice. Let's take a look at our practice page. Okay, so what I want you to do is follow along with me. Ah, heart. Ah, heart. Ah, good job. Heart. Ah, ah, heart. Ah, heart. Ah, ah. Great. Let's keep going. Ah, heart. Ah, good job. Let's practice one more time. We'll change the color so that you can see a different color as we read. Okay, are you ready? Read the sounds with me. Ah, heart. Ah, heart. Ah, ah, heart. Ah, ah, heart. Ah, heart. Ah, 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 heart. Ah. Great job practicing. Now would be a really good time for you to sit down and practice writing the shape of the letter A. As you write the shape, make the sound ah and the word ah. Great job practicing with me today. See you later.